Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can set a schedule for it here based on your percentage, and you can set turn off automatically if the battery is up to 19% here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.